Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to download YouTube videos in two different methods without using any external downloading apps. You can use any of the two methods to download YouTube videos very easily. You need not have any YouTube downloading apps for this purpose. Kindly watch the full video without skipping. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. First open your Chrome browser in your mobile. You set the view as mobile view and untick the desktop view. Then in the search bar type youtube.com and hit enter. For example, in my mobile the first video gun scene BGM. If I want to download that video, kindly do the following steps. Open the video which you want to download. Otherwise search for the video. In this case I am decided to download this video. Then place the cursor in the type bar and in the right side you see the edit pin. Touch that pin. You have the option to edit the address bar. Then you place the cursor after the YouTube. Exactly place the cursor after E and type pp. Then it will be look as m.youtube.pp.com etc. You then hit go button. Then many pop-up ads will appear. You click close for all. Then you see the page where it shows download. It will have different options. You select the pixel as per your wish. Now I selected 180 pixel and hit the download button. It will pop up some ads. You close everything, then automatically download will begin. Now we check the downloaded file in the gallery. You see the video downloaded in my download section. Here is the video. Now easily we downloaded the YouTube video without any external app. Now second method is available. This method also is very easy. I am tell you the second method also. In the same way you open Google Chrome browser and type youtube.com. When the YouTube page loads, you select the video you want to download. Otherwise you search for that video and select that video. Randomly I decided to download this video. For that you place your cursor in the address bar. Then in the right side you see the edit button option. You press that. You can now edit the address in the address bar. In the address bar you see http://m.youtube.etc. You place the cursor after m dot. You place the cursor after the dot. Then you delete that dot and m. Now you see the address is youtube.etc. Then you put ss before y. Before YouTube starting, you put the word ss and hit the enter button. It is very important. You have to delete m dot and put ss in that place. Then the address bar will start like http://ss youtube.com etc. Now when you hit the search button, the download page will show. Here you see the pixel for your download. You select according to your wish the pixel you want to download. I select 720p and hit the download option. The download automatically starts and the downloaded video will appear in my gallery in the download folder. The file is now downloading and I have to wait when it to finish. Now I am opening the gallery to show you the download video. Here you see that video downloaded and saved in my gallery. In this way you can download easily your desired YouTube videos without any external apps in a very simple manner. Okay friends, if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you having any doubts, kindly feel free to ask in the comment section. I am always ready to answer your questions. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Bye.